So find the equation of the parallel whose focus is 6 0 and the directrix x equal to minus 6 s. So here y coordinate is 0 s means obviously the point lies on the x axis here and x coordinate is positive. Means the point lies right side of the y axis here and x equal to minus 6 is a line parallel to y axis here and it lies left hand side here. So therefore the diagram is like this here. Rough diagram here. So this is a parabola here. So this is the x axis here and here is the focus. Yes. So 6 comma 0 here and this is the directrix. It lies left side of y axis here. So its equation is x is equal to minus 6 here. Then obviously in this case the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4x because it will opens the right side here, right hand side of the y axis here. Therefore its equation is y square is equal to 4x here. Okay, so here focus yes interrogator 6 0 lies on x axis here and directrix x equal to minus 6 is a line parallel to y axis, parallel to y axis. Therefore in this case equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax here. Therefore focus yes a comma 0 is equal to 6 0. Okay, so 6 comma 0. In this case focus is a0. Therefore a is equal to 6 yes. Therefore the value of a is 6. Substitute a is equal to 6 here. So take this one as equation number 1 here. Therefore equation 1 becomes y square is equal to 4 into 6 into x here. Therefore y square is equal to 24 x here. So this is the equation of the parabola. This is the equation of the parabola. So next example here, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 0 minus 3 and directrix y is equal to 3 here. Here 0 minus 3 means x coordinate is 0, means point lies on y axis here and y coordinate is negative, therefore the point lies below the x axis. So like this here. Okay, here is the point. Yes sir. So 0 minus of 3 here and this is a directrix here. So y is equal to 3. So this is a x axis here and this is a y axis here. Then obviously parabola like this here. Downward direction. Parabola downward direction. Okay. Therefore focus yes 0 minus 3 lies on y axis here and y is equal to 3 is a line parallel to x axis. Okay, this is the origin here. In this case, equation of the parabola is x square is equal to minus 4a into y. If this is a parabola, then the focus, therefore, focus, yes, sir. So 0 minus of a is equal to 0 minus 3. Therefore, a value is 3. A is equal to 3. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Therefore, equation 1 becomes here x square is equal to minus 4 into 3 into y. Therefore, x square is equal to minus of 12y. X square equal to minus 12y is the answer here. Here the focus 3, 0 and the vertex is origin here. Then obviously the point lies on x-axis here. Focus lies on x-axis and lies right side of the y-axis, means like this here. So it is 3, 0 here. This is the focus here. Then obviously the parabola in this direction here. So vertex is the origin here. This is the vertex here and focus is like this. Parabola opens right side here. In this case, equation of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax here. Therefore, if this is a parabola, then focus yes a comma 0 is equal to 3, 0. Therefore, the value of a is 3 here. Use in equation number 1 here. Therefore, equation 1 becomes y square, a value 3, 3 4s are 12, y square is equal to 12x. So this is the answer, equation of the parabola. In this case, focus is minus 2, 0, vertex is origin. Minus 2, 0 means point lies on x-axis here, but lies on left side here. Minus of 2, comma 0. So this is x-axis here, and this is y-axis, and the origin is the vertex of the parabola. Means the parabola opens left side here. If this is the parabola, then the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to minus 4a into x here. Therefore, in this case of focus, yes sir, minus a comma 0, that is equal to minus 2, 0, minus 2, 0. Therefore, minus a is equal to minus 2 means a is equal to 12. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, so y square 2 4 the 8 here, minus of 8x here. Y square is equal to minus 8x is the answer. Okay, here find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is the origin passing to the point 2, 3. Here both are positive, means the point lies in the first quadrant here, and axis is along x-axis. Then obviously here this is x-axis here, y-axis here is the point here. So take this point as a 2, 3 here, and this is the vertex here. So origin is the vertex here. Therefore, the parabola passing to the point 2, 3 here, whose vertex is origin here, and x-axis is the axis. Therefore, in this case, equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4a into x here. Okay, here the given point given point lies in the first quadrant. And axis is along x axis here. Also, whose vertex is origin? Whose vertex is 0, 0. Therefore, in this case, equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4axl. Take this one as a equation number 1 here. This parabola passing to the point 2, 3. This parabola passing through the point 2, 3. Given point 2, 3. Therefore, y value is 3. So substitute here 3 square. Then 4a into x value is 2. Then 3 square is 9. 4 2 is 8. A. Take 8 to this side here. 9 upon 8 is equal to a. So use this 9 upon 8 in the equation 1 here. Therefore, equation 1 becomes. Therefore, equation 1 becomes y square is equal to 4 into 9 by 8 here into x. Then 4 1s are 4 2s are cancels here. Take it to this side here. So therefore 2y square is equal to 9x here. So this is the required equation of the parabola. So find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is origin passing to the point 5, 2 and axis is along y axis here. Even the given point both are positive here, lies in the first quadrant only. Therefore, this is x axis, y axis, it is the origin here, and the given point is 5, 2 here. It is in the first quadrant. Then parabola opens upon direct line is here. Okay. Vertex is the origin here. Therefore, in this case, the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4a into y. Take this one as equation number 1 here. So this parabola passes to the point. This parabola passes through the point. Five comma 2 x value is 5, y value 2. Substitute here. So 5 square is equal to 4a into 2x. 5 square is 25, 4 2 is 8, a. Therefore, 25 divided by 8 is equal to a. Use this value in the equation 1 here. Therefore, 1 becomes equation 1 becomes so x square is equal to 4 into 25 divided by 8 into y. Then 4 1s are 4 2s are cancels here. Take it to this side here. So it gives 2x square is equal to 25y. So this is the required equation of the parabola.